Welcome back to another video on 100 plus GK question for NSSB. So expected 100 question GK fast for revision purposes, and it will be very helpful for those who are preparing for NSSB. Last minute revision going to be important. So let us start with the class. That is last class 100 ta. Let us start with 101. The smallest bone in the human body is steps as a kande dagala bone ge steps ko ear bone. Question number 102. Which part of the eye is donated to cornea as which is known as the master gland? Master gland it is the pituitary gland. Next 104. Which vitamin is essential for the coagulation of blood? To vitamin K. Coagulation dike to kunula chuklido idu ruki jay. Further blood loss prevent coagulation of blood ho jay. Idu ki karna jay vitamin K. Question number 105. The gland which is both endocrine as well as exocrine. Endocrine the internal or external gland is pancreas. Question number 106. Which gland is known as a ductless gland? The ductless gland to endocrine is. Next, which vitamins are water soluble? B and C. Which are fat soluble? The A. That are fat soluble the A, D, E, and K. Blood group to kunba discover Carl Landsteiner. Question number 110. Universal blood donor to O minus O negative as O negative as and which is the universal receiver? That is AB. How many chambers are there in a frog? Frog that is chamber 3 as arrow humans take chart as. So next question. Why are leaves green in color? So leaves green in color chlorophyll why question number 115. Why is blood red in color? Because of hemoglobin. Question number 116. What is the pH value of human blood? The 7.4 the rarest blood group to AB negative AB negative is the rarest blood group. 118. The metal present in hemoglobin. Hemoglobin present as iron as. Question number 119. The metal present in chlorophyll is magnesium as. Next 120. The important sugar in honey is fructose as. Question number 121. The number of chromosomes in the human gene is 46 as. Question number 122. Which of the following acid is present in vinegar? To acetic acid as. And question number 123. That is which disease is caused by deficiency of protein in children? So protein la deficiency la disease ki cause. Next question 124. Which disease is caused due to deficiency of iodine? Iodine do ki cause goiter. Goiter to is the gola de tangor gutiola la de goiter made. Question number 125. Which of the following organs stores fat soluble vitamins? The fat can store go to liver as. 126. Plants which flower only once in their lifetime is known as. So plants can that only flower once in a lifetime to monocarpic as. Question number 127. Which is the most stable ecosystem? Most stable ecosystem to ocean as. 128. What is protein made up of? Protein the kibo banai amino acid. Question number 129. What is the main component of cell wall in case of plant cell? That is cellulose as. 130. Who discovered nucleus? Though Robert Brown as. 131. The cells are made up of protoplasm as. 132. Ligament do kiba ligament do bone as. Aro blood to idu ekta connective tissue as. So ligament do bone as. Next question 134. Kidney stones though they are composed of what? Calcium oxalate. Question number 135. Which of the following organelles are known as atom bombs? So atom bombs though ki mate lysosome. Question number 136. Insects that transmit disease known as vectors. 137. The outermost layer of the skin is called epidermis. So skin la outermost layer the epidermis is. 138. In the human body, red blood cells are produced in bone marrow. Question number 139. The thinnest bone in the human body is the fibula. Next question number 140. The plant hormones produced at the shoot to cell to grow longer to gibberellin as. Means ekta plant ekta ola jay to chutu shoot ola. So idu kiba induce kore gibberellin. Question number 141. The transformation of cartilage into bone is known as ossification. Question number 142. Cancellous bone are also known as spongy bone. Question number 143. Which bone does not articulate with any other bone in the human body? So alag bone lode edu bone do join nokuri kole the hyoid bone ase. 144. The human digestive tract is also known as the alimentary canal. Means mala edu golaba edu food pipe panje edu sob edu alimentary canal mate. 145. Which Sertoli cells? Where are Sertoli cells found? So Sertoli cells to kudi by seminiferous tubules by. Question number 146. The male hormone testosterone is secreted by Leydig cells. So male hormone testosterone do Leydig cells ba generate koi. Next question. Question number 147. The contraction of muscle in the uterus before childbirth is known as labor. Question number 148. The hormone secreted by pancreas to insulin is sugar level control. 149. Which of the following articles cannot be suspended even during emergency? Even emergency la time de to suspend corner article 20 and 21. 150. Which article of the Indian Constitution contains provision for national emergency? Article 352. Or under which article President of India can proclaim constitutional emergency or state emergency? Though Article 356. How many types of emergencies are there in the Indian Constitution? 3. That is national, state, or financial emergency. 3. Financial emergency to Article 360. How many fundamental rights are mentioned? 6. How many fundamental duties are there in Indian Constitution? 11. How many types of writs are there? 5. Habeas corpus, mandamus, prohibition, certiorari, or co-warrant. 157. How many members of the upper house can be nominated by the president? 12. President of India to kunba remove korbre parliament ba. 159. Charter Act to related to the child marriage. It is increasing the marriageable age of both boys and girls. 160. Jammu Kashmir do state legislature do 6 years exam, but it has been revoked. 161. Indian Planning Commission do 1951 de constitute question. Next. Which article is given special status to Jammu Kashmir do? Article 370. First Governor General of India do Lord Mountbatten of India was. That is India independence power. Next question. 164. Who is the first and last Governor General of India? The C. Rajagopalachari. First Indian Goja. Who will be first Governor General of India to Mountbatten who will Indian Goshile to Rajagopalachari. 165. To who is the first Lok Sabha Speaker? G.V. Mabalankar. National flag to Kumba Design Goje Pingali Venkaya. Who among the following appointed the Governor of State in India? Do Governor kan to Kumba appoint kore, President of India by appoint kore. How many schedules are there? 12 schedules. Who appointed the Chief Justice and other judges of the Supreme Court of India? Do kun aje President aje. Article 3. Question number 170. Article 368 of the Indian Constitution. Article 368 is the Constitution amendment grolela procedure din ase. 171. Which type of emergency has not been declared so far? The financial emergencies. Both national emergency or state emergency to declare korna ase. However, financial emergency to ida be declare korna nai. 172. In which our first amendment do 1951. The amendment means constitution to changes anala 1951. 173. Which of the amendment act is related to the goods and service tax? That is GST to kuntu la amendment act 101st amendment act pa initiate kuse. 174. Which constitutional amendment will lower the voting age from 21 to 18 years? So 21 to 18 years to reduce kurada for voting. Idu kuntu amendment ba kuse 61st amendment. Next question. 175. Which bill cannot originate in Rajya Sabha? So Rajya Sabha de kuntu bill originate korna pare. That is money bill. Question number 176. Which the first Indian actress to be nominated to the Rajya Sabha to kunja Nargis Datta, who was the constitutional advisor to Dr. B.N. Rao. Question number 178. The Parliament and Constitutions are the institution of legal justice. 179. The term of the Finance Commission is 5 years. 180. Which country has an unwritten constitution? Constitution to likhina nai kojile to UK. Where is the national emblem we need taken from? So inspiration to kuti baje, that is the lying cable of Ashoka at Sarnath is 182. When Indian government adopted the national emblem of India the 26th of January 1950. Number of spokes to Indian national flag the 24 the spokes to is the flag. Indian national flag in itu flag to it spokes to kiman to it is 24 spokes. What is the ratio? Ratio to is 3:2. Next, 185. When was the national flag adopted? National flag the 22nd of July 1947 is when was the time limit of the national anthem to 52 seconds. National anthem Jana Gana Mana de kiman lamba huwa 52 seconds. 187. Who wrote the national anthem to? Rabindranath Tagore. Who wrote the national song to? Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. That is Vande Mataram. Next question. Question number 189. Who estimated the national income for the first time? National income India la income to first time determined korda dada by Noroja. 190. Who was the first Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of India? First Chief Justice of Supreme Court to Hiralal J. Kania. 191. Who is the first Indian woman president to Sarojini Naidu? 1924 Kanpur session. Question number 192. Who was the first woman president of the Indian National Congress to Any Basin? Sebi Indian Hashigulita Sarojini Naidu Huli woman Hashigulito Any Basin. 193. Who was the first? Which is the first state in India formed on the basis of language? Language la basis the state form of the first state of Andhra Pradesh. 194. The first Indian civil service officer to go Satyendranath Tagore. 195. Human rights day to get a celebrate 10th of December. 196. Taxes belong to state central government. That is central government under the key tax as excise duty, custom, income tax as next. 197. A bill under the Constitution of India do could table gre Lok Sabha de hoy and Rajya Sabha de table gre money bill to Lok Sabha de pare alak bill kando both Lok Sabha Rajya Sabha anywhere but money bill to Lok Sabha de pare. 198. Which one of the following cannot be dissolved but can be abolished at any time? So it will dissolve corner but abolish corner anytime. So state legislative council is but kushi gole to kuntu dissolve bhi korna par abolish bhi korna par gole to Rajya Sabha hai. Question number 199. The first meeting of the Constituent Assembly to 9th of December 1946 is and last meeting to on 24th of January 1950. So with this the video has come to an end. Next class will be continuing from 201 to 300. So 100 plus questions every day we will be solving. Thank you guys for watching and I wish you all the best for exam. Thank you.